of Adidas Gap this morning. A little later than usual. My knee was still sore, so I gave it a little extra time in the hammock. Like I said, I twisted it, so I don't know. I'm gonna keep pushing, but I'm severely considering going back to section hikes and just enjoying myself. This just seems more like, I don't know, more like a job doing a through hike. It's okay. I mean, there's beautiful sights. I've been having fun, but I think I could have just as much, if not more fun doing section hikes, long section hikes. Like, I don't mind doing a couple 100 miles here and there. I have to figure things out because with the money I save from trying to get myself better each time I do something like twist a knee or have my sugar drop low, I could come out and even, bring the wife with and have her stay in town or something for the same price as it takes me to go 500 miles or 1,000 miles or 2,000 miles. So that's something to consider. I'm going to keep going though, heading over to Dick's Gap and then to North Carolina. So I want to finish out Georgia at least. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. It's not so much that I couldn't, but practicality and what do I like, I like taking my time. I like seeing things. So, yeah. Gonna have to do some real deep thinking. So I'm gonna get the knee taken care of and see how I feel from there. All right, well, I made it up Kelly Knob, and that is a harder climb than Trey Mountain. Holy cow. I'm glad I didn't go up that last night. I would have never made it. As I said, I boogered my knee up, so I'm pushing with that. I think my sugar dropped again. I can't figure this shit out. But I will say that this has been one of the best months hike I've ever done. Not quite a month, but March has been awesome. I wouldn't trade it for the world. And not sure what's going to happen after I get to town. I may just say good enough, push to North Carolina, so I finish out Georgia. But if you have to do one section, I would definitely give the Georgia section a shot. It is beautiful. Yeah, a lot of beautiful views. But it will beat you up. So, time to go down.